today we're gonna talk about memory games.
Excellent. And memory games are considered one of the best practices of ensuring that our brains are working at the optimum. And they have great benefits such as they train visual memory, they improve concentration, they increase attention to details, and they improve the ability to find similarities and differences in objects. And today we are sharing with you some fun collection of memory games that are perfect for helping your children to stretch their brains. Are you ready, Awasha?
Yes.
Okay, the first game is the Magic Cup game. And in the Magic Cup game, Awasha's hiding a red cube under one of the cups. She's shuffling them around on the table, and Mommy will figure out where's that cup. I haven't seen where you put the cube, but however, I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it. 1, 2, 3, maybe with the one in the middle. The middle? Remove it. Yeah, Mommy is the winner. Do you want to try one more time? Okay. Shuffle them around. Shuffle them around. Okay. And in this game, guys, you need to focus. Yes, where is the cup? Okay. Maybe the one here? Yeah, Mommy is the winner. And this is a very interesting game, especially if you're teaching a new color, a new shape, new vocabulary words. So you can play at the restaurant, outside, inside, and it's very easy. Can you remove this one, Awasha? Okay. The other game is called Recite the Alphabet. And recite the alphabet, I'm gonna ask Awasha to take these cards. These are not in order. I'm gonna ask her to put the cards in order from L to, I think, R or S. Okay. So what's the first one?
L.
L.
M.
Yes. M comes after N. N. Mm-hmm.
O.
Oh, excellent. Can you make a second line now with the cards?
Yes.
Then what comes after O? As you see here, this game P, excellent. This game needs concentration of what comes next in the alphabet. Yes, P, Q, R, S, and T. Awasha, now I want you to close your eyes. Mommy's gonna take one card, and I want you to find out what's the missing card. What's the missing?
It's necklace.
It's so what's the letter?
N.
N. Excellent. Now I want you to close your eyes. Close your eyes. No. Close your eyes. Awasha, put your hands down. Put your hands down. Close your eyes. I want to see your eyes closed. Okay, close your eyes. It's fine. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, open. What's the missing card?
Q.
It's a Q. Excellent. You can extend this game too. In this basket, I have some objects that start with the letter. Just wait, Awasha. I have M is for mango. I have, wait, I don't want you to match them up now. I have O is for octopus. I have T is for telephone. I have N is for necklace. L is for lamb. And I have S is for strawberry. I have a Q is for quarter. I have R is for ring. Awasha, I'm gonna put the basket away, and I want you to tell me what's the thing in the basket that starts with L.
Lamb.
Lamb. Excellent. Okay, I want you to tell me what's in the basket that starts with R.
Ring.
Ring. Excellent. Okay, here is your ring. Here it goes. I want you to tell me what's in the basket that starts with M.
M is for mango.
M is for mango. Excellent. And what's in the basket that starts with O?
O is for octopus.
Amazing. I want you to tell me now what's in the basket that starts with T.
T is for telephone.
Excellent. I want you to tell me what's in the basket. I'm going to show you guys the basket. It's right up here in the top. I want you to tell me what's in the basket that starts with P.
P is for pineapple.
Yes, excellent. P is for pineapple. Now the basket is right at the top. I want you to tell me what's in the basket that starts with S.
S is for
Come on. S is for what? What's in the basket?
strawberry.
S is for strawberry. Amazing. Okay, put the strawberry down. Okay, I want you to tell me what's in the basket that starts with N.
N is for quarter.
Oh, N is for quarter? N is for quarter? Are you sure? I don't think so. Quarter. It doesn't sound like N. We don't say water.
I said quarter.
Yeah, but I want the letter N. N is for what? No. Just to try. Make a guess. Okay, do you want to look at that?
Necklace.
Excellent. N is for necklace. And what do you think the last one is?
It is a quarter.
It's a quarter for letter.
Q.
Excellent. Q. Q is for quarter. And this is an amazing activity for letter sounds, putting letter in order, matching up pictures or objects that start with the same letter or with the same, that start with a specific letter sound. And I really recommend this game with your kids if your kids are between 4 to 5 years old. Thank you, Awasha, for cleaning up. Put all the baskets again. The second one that we're gonna do now is an activity that's called count backward. And in count backward, Awasha has all the numbers there. I'll put them nicely, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I want you to take the numbers now, please. Okay, I want you to put the numbers backward. So what's coming? 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
And 5. And as you see here, she has the cubes over there. She needs to match up the tower with a specific number. Yeah, without counting. Yeah, she's doing it. So great, Awasha. Yeah. I think she did only one mistake. Can you correct it? Yes, excellent. So this is the tower of 10, this is the tower of 9, excellent. And this is a great activity also to match up the number of objects with the number itself and to memorize how to put the numbers backward or forward if you would like to. Oh, there is another one. Yes, excellent. So this is 6 and then this is 7. Excellent. Okay, can you move this away, please? The other activity now that increase concentration and visual memory is an activity that's called card recall. So I'm gonna put the cards here, and I'm gonna ask Awasha to put the cards in sequence. So I want to see what happens first, then, and last. Yes. So what happens first? Can you explain it?
She draws, then she put it in a message.
In an envelope?
An envelope, then she sent it.
Then she sent it. So here is a girl who wrote a message. She sealed the envelope. She put it in the mailbox. Okay, Awasha, this is a great. Now I'm gonna turn them face down. Okay. Now without looking at the cards, can you tell me the story again, please? Don't look at the cards. Don't look at the cards. Just tell me what happens first, what happens next, and then. What happens first?
She writes it, then she
So she wrote
put
them.
it in a envelope, then she sent it.
Yes. So can you check your words? Yes. So the first one was she's writing a message, or she wrote a message. She put it in an envelope and then she sent it. Excellent, Awasha. I want you now to close your eyes. Mom is gonna take one card. Mom is going to take one card. I want you to tell me what's the missing card here.
It is.
What's the missing card? Okay, my card is here. So don't
She put it in an envelope.
Excellent, excellent. Now I want you to close your eyes again. Close your eyes again. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Mommy took a card. The card is facing down.
She sent it.
She sent it where?
To her friend.
Okay, she sent it. Yeah, she put it in the mailbox. Can you check your answer? Yeah, great. And this is also a great activity to improve your child's language. Thank you, Awasha. And here comes the puzzle pieces. It's another memory game that increase also attention, and it increase not only attention to details, but it improves the ability to find similarities and differences. So here's, what letter is this?
P.
P. And what are you putting here? Words that start with P?
Yeah.
Okay, can you read the words after you put the pieces together? Okay.
Yes. Pen.
Okay. Pie.
Pineapple.
It's just a pie. Okay.
Pie. And I think it is.
Which word? Which word are you reading now? So you said pen, pie. What's this one?
I think it is a pumpkin.
Okay, and what's this one?
A puzzle.
Okay, I want you now to close your eyes. Mom is going to take a card. She's going to take a piece of the puzzle. I want you to find out what piece is this, okay? You can open now. What piece is this? What word was that?
It was pen.
Pen, excellent. And you can play this in too many different ways. As you can ask your child, what are the words at the top? What are the words at the bottom? And so on. So now this is the last. Oh, this is before the last one. And in here, she has a different wings. And the wings are like in different sizes. Yes. And Awasha, without looking at the sizes. Okay, I'm going to put this around here. Okay, tell me what is the first color? Purple. Okay. Then again, yes, and you can ask your child also to close your eyes while he's reciting the colors that he needs to put in order. Thank you, Awasha. The last one is here, and this is a very nice game. So can you take the black cards, Awasha, with the alphabet letters? I want you to put all the lowercase letters together, all the uppercase letters together. Can you make that? Okay, I don't want them in order. So this is, what letter is this?
Okay. A-O-N-L.
Okay, so she put M-A-O-N-L. Now, the lowercase letters are not also in order, and they are not matching up the uppercase letters. So, excellent, Awasha. So, can you read the lowercase letters, please?
N-O-A-L. M.
Okay, can you turn the cards to face down the table? Okay, excellent. Okay, while you're putting this, I want you to remember what's the letter on the card. Okay, so here she's putting all the cards facing down the table, and hey,
It is. I think this is N, and this is O.
It's fine. You can read them. Just look at them. It's fine. You can read them.
This is A, and this is L, and this is M.
You're just giving it a try. Thank you, Awasha. Okay, I'm gonna put the uppercase letters up. Okay, and now I'm gonna turn this down. I'm gonna turn this. Turn it. Okay, I want you to find the uppercase M and lowercase m. Can you do this? Uppercase M and lowercase m. Where's the lowercase m? Just a try. Give it a try. It's okay. It's okay. We're just playing.
This is L.
Okay, give it another try.
A.
Okay, give it another
M.
M. Excellent. Good job. Okay, turn the other card. Turn the other card. Okay, what's this? Oh, can you find the other?
This is A. This is L.
Oh,
This is
Awasha,
O.
you know. Yes, good job, Awasha. Okay, can you turn another card now? And this is really needs like
N.
practice. Okay, can you find the lowercase n, please? Just make it as you see
This
here
is A.
here we practice this a lot. However,
This
she
is
needs more
L.
practice, but it's fine.
This is N.
This is n. Now watch, I need to find it one more time, okay? Oh, she remembers this one. Yes, good job. Good job. And this is another game that you can play with your child while you're waiting in the restaurant, while you are inside the house or outside in the park, and it's really great for memorization. Okay, Awasha, we're done today. Thank you for watching. What you're gonna say?
Bye bye, friends.